This instructional video demonstrates the proper mixing technique. Actual vial or product may differ in size, shape, or color of contents. Collect the blood specimen using cell-free DNA BCT or cell-free RNA BCT. Follow venipuncture guidelines outlined in CLSI H3A6. For best results, a 21 gauge or 22 gauge needle is advised. Fill the tube completely and immediately mix by gentle inversion 8 to 10 times. One inversion is a complete turn of the wrist, 180 degrees and back. Cell-free DNA BCT and cell-free RNA BCT should be drawn after an EDTA tube and before a fluoride oxalate tube. If cell-free DNA BCT or cell-free RNA BCT immediately follow a heparin tube in the draw order, Streck recommends collecting a non-additive or EDTA tube as a waste tube prior to collection in cell-free DNA BCT or cell-free RNA BCT. After collection and mixing is complete, transport and store tubes within the recommended temperature range as outlined in the instructions for use.